Alright, well, welcome back to Mid-Electric Explorer. Dave and Gord are back out on our bikes again in Paris, Ontario. A trail that we ride a couple times a year. So this is the Paris to Cambridge Rail Trail. We are going to ride up into Cambridge and then come down on the other side of the river and then maybe go and explore a little bit of Paris today. That time of year where you're kind of trying to decide whether you're going to paddle or not. The rivers are really high right now. It'll be a really good day to paddle. Just a little cool still for us because we don't have the right type of gear. And things are quite wet, so that's the reason why we're back on the rail trail today. First again, sir. First, sir. You've got the bell. Hi there. So whoosh. Eleanor's had a cold and her all the time. Well, you know, normally I would bunny hop this, but because of the plastic tray underneath the bike, I think I'm not going to bunny hop this. Let's see. There we go. There's enough room there to get over that without me scraping the bottom. Okay. Did you ride over or just kick?
I rode over.
Did you? Yeah, as long as you got a little bit of speed and you pull up, get your ass back, it's not hard to do. Although I've gone right over the handlebars trying to do that.
Same.
Yeah.
You'll come down too soon. Now you take the front of the handlebars off the chest.
Oh, there's that wave. Oh, so you know where we stop, have our brake coming down river, where they put the kayaks in, and then all of a sudden you get in, you get that first set of white water. Look at the wave over here. Oh, this one I'm not hopping. No, this one I'll pull the bike over. Oh. You can't even see the channel. Eh? There's normally a channel that comes in here, Gord. We normally sit on a rock right here, but you can't even see it. I'm just looking for a place to sit. Where can we sit? This is actually where the outfitters put their boats in. You'd have to have the right equipment to go paddle this river today, which we don't. That is private, by the way, folks. Thought I'd share that. It's a spot that we start from if you're paddling with Grand River Experience, I think, or Grand River Adventures, one of the two. And we stop coming down river from Cambridge. That's our first break point. until the paddling season opens up, and then once they start running tours from there, and then we don't bother stopping there anymore. So that spot there is an hour downstream from where we start in Cambridge. I'm not sure we're getting that sunshine they promised. It looked like it was trying there for a minute. When we paddle to Paris, this is where we start. There's the sun. Now we want to hang a left. Yeah. Not going in the water. You could have stayed on the path.